intro.
Hi guys.
Welcome to 7th part of the quadcopter building tutorials.
So guys, in my previous video we have completed with all the assembling of a quadcopter. So in order to fly a quadcopter we need to make some settings on the KK board. So in this video we'll go through all these settings and I'll show you guys by step how to do that. And also I recommend you guys to go for these values itself, which I'm going to show in the video, because they have given us a good result with our quadcopter. You have to connect your 4 ESCs to these pins. So make sure you guys connect the signal pin of your ESCs towards the LCD. And even in the receiver side, the signal pin goes towards the LCD. And guys, make sure your transmitter is kept on before you connect your battery to the quadcopter, otherwise it may damage your receiver. Guys, we have completed all the work with our quadcopter. In my next video, we'll do the flight test of this. Before that, if you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section below. So guys, stay tuned for the next video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.